In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GIF in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a smooth, shareable GIF made from any short video clip, perfect for messages, social posts, or quick reactions. First, open CapCut. Any recent version on desktop or mobile will work. If you're on desktop, launch the app. If you're on mobile, tap the icon to open it up. Once you're in, start a new project and import the video you want to turn into a GIF. Choose a clip with a clear moment of motion or expression and aim for something simple. Remember, GIFs shine when they're short and focused. Now trim the clip, drag the ends of the timeline so your selection is about 2 to 3 seconds. Shorter is usually better because it loops quickly and keeps file sizes manageable. Look for a clean start and end, ideally on similar motion or lighting so the loop feels natural. If you need to fine-tune, zoom in on the timeline for more precise trimming and play it back a couple of times to check the timing. When it looks right, click Export. On desktop, you'll usually see this button in the top right corner. On mobile, it's typically at the top. This takes you to the export settings, where you'll choose how your GIF will be created. In the export settings, scroll down until you see the format options and select GIF. Then choose your preferred resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but create larger files, while lower resolutions are great for fast sharing and texting. As a guideline, a mid-range resolution gives a good balance of clarity and size. Keep in mind that GIFs use a limited color palette compared to video, so very detailed or dark scenes may look slightly different after export. Before finalizing, preview your GIF, watch it loop and pay attention to the start and end. Check for any jarring jump or awkward pause. Make sure the motion and timing feel smooth and that the resolution you chose looks clear enough for where you plan to share it. If something feels off, go back, adjust the trim or resolution, and preview again until you're happy. When everything looks good, export the GIF. CapCut will process it and save it to your device. You'll be able to find it in your chosen save location or within your device's gallery or files. That's it. Open CapCut, import, trim to 2 or 3 seconds, export as a GIF, preview, and then finalize. You now have a neat looping GIF ready to drop into chats, emails, or your favorite social platforms.